In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Allstate reward points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best and most secure way to use your reward points for Allstate is through their website. So all that you have to do is go to this page, Allstate Rewards. I highly recommend that you search for this page on Google as it is the quickest way to access it. It's going to be the first result when you look for Allstate Rewards. As you can see, there is a big notification here. They decided to close down the rewards program, so make sure that you redeem your points by November of this year. After this date, you will no longer be able to redeem your points. When you reach this page, all that you have to do is click log in and you will be redirected to the Allstate Rewards website where you can sign into your account to start redeeming your points. Like you saw in the notification, they are going to stop this program, so it is very important that you get your points redeemed as soon as possible. As you can see, I am getting an error, but as long as you are able to access my account login or be in contact with them through this number, you will be able to redeem your points before the program closes down. I hope I was able to help you on how to redeem your Allstate reward points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.